What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there is staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another dope recipe to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love, showing me support. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. You feel me? We have fun here, getting it in, freestyle cooking. Let's do it. Alright? So today, y'all, up on the board, we're going to do a real simple recipe, okay? I'm doing a crawfish tail, shrimp, and crab etouffee. That's right, man. We gonna get it in, man. Nice Creole dish, Cajun dish. We gonna put it together. All right. Went to the market, got me some crawfish tails. If you can find it, like in the freezer section, seafood section at your market, there you go. Also, I got me some lump crab meat ready to go, and I also got some shrimp, deveined, clean, about to get it started. All right. Let's get it. All right. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to cut up some ingredients for your recipe. And like in Louisiana, when they're doing this, they got their holy trinity, which is basically celery, onion, and green pepper. Right here, I got me some green pepper and red bell pepper because I only had like a small piece of green bell pepper. Need a little bit more, but that's cool. You could just add whatever bell peppers you want, make it your own. I'm also using shallots instead of onions because I like the taste. Got me some celery here, and I also chopped up some fresh garlic. Alright, next, you're going to break out your pan. Okay, and we're going to make a roux. Alright, so we're going to make a roux to get us started. Alright, throw a stick of butter in there, let that slowly melt. Once your butter is melted, I got about a little over a half cup of flour. We'll get that in there. Then you're going to stir this real good. Stir it in. Okay. And we want to cook the raw flour taste off. And you just want to stir it until you get like that peanut buttery type color. You just want to keep stirring. Alright, now once you spend about 10 minutes, got it right to where I want it to be. I don't need it to be any darker than this. Alright, now you want to add shallots, my celery, and my peppers. Alright, and we want to incorporate that in. And just cook this up till it's, kind of translucent, just a couple of minutes. Alright, after a few minutes in, we want to add a couple tablespoons of tomato paste. And get that in. Alright, after you incorporate your tomato paste, got me some chicken stock. Want to get that in. You got some seafood stock, which would even be better, but I got chicken stock. Alright. And that, y'all, is about 2 cups, about 2.5 cups. Alright, get that incorporated in. Alright, y'all. I done added about another cup in. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and season it up a little bit. And a little bit of salt. Some pepper. Alright, just like a teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of salt, okay? I'm also going to add in my garlic. Next, I'm gonna add some Creole seasoning. About a couple tablespoons. And now I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of hot sauce. Alright, stir that up, get it all incorporated. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Let it go to a nice simmer for about 15 minutes. And then we'll add the rest of our ingredients, y'all. Let's do it. Alright. Woo, definitely flowing. Alright. Okay, now I want to add some parsley. Almost done, y'all. Almost done. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my crawfish tails. Next, I'm gonna add my crab right here. I got 1 can of lump. This is about a pound. I'm only going to use half of it, so about a half a pound of the crab meat. Go ahead and incorporate that in. Smelling so good. All right. Next, I'm gonna add my shrimp. Alright, and we just want to cook it until the shrimp is cooked, okay? So when the shrimp turn pink and you see your shrimp is cooked, you're ready to plate it up, man. Alright, got it in there. Go for a few more minutes for my shrimp to go. Crawfish tails is basically already cooked in the package. We good, man. Boom, and there we go, y'all. Plate it on up. My etouffee with the crawfish, shrimp, and crab. Oh yeah. Add a little herb rice there. You know what I'm saying? Garnish it with some green onion. About to go on this, man. Smelling so good. So please subscribe, like, share. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all these latest recipe videos, man. Comment, man. Let me know what you want me to do. If you want me to do something, try this recipe. Let me know if you tried it, how it came out. Come on, man. Do y'all thing, man. Come through on this journey with me. Y'all know what I'm about to do on this, man. Feel me? Allah.